I'm going to use this image here, so I'm going to duplicate it so we can see the before and after. Control D. So here, as you can see, I have two images. Now I'm going to select the first one, and now left click here, select the measure tool. And now for the orientation, you can either use auto or horizontal, since I'm going to strengthen it horizontally. For the transform, make sure it's layer. Interpolation here will control the quality, for example, of the pixels when you're going to transform or crop your layer. So I'm just going to go with linear or cubic. And for the clipping, I will go with crop to result. And now you will need to trace your line here with the measurement tool, so left click. So you need to follow the point of reference on your image. So I'm going to follow these bars here. So left click, hold, and then trace. So here, so I think here I'm okay. Left click and release. And now you just need to click on strengthen. So here it is, select the move tool. So now I'm just going to move it here. And now in order to crop the empty space here, just go to image and then crop to content. And now press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So here it is. So as you can see, it cropped the bottom part here, the image, some of the parts here. So let's see the original one. So here's the original, and here's the strengthened image.